Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have the Macy's beauty box today and I hope you all are having a great day, and we're going to find out what they have sent to us for the month of October. Now in this box they send us 5 or 6 deluxe samples. I think we get one kind of like gift-like item, and it's $15 a month, so it's very affordable. So if you're looking for something that gives you like department brand type products, this may be a box for you. And it opens up, it just comes all the way open. And we always have our package wrapped in pink. We always have several beauty items that I was just telling you about. We always get a discount card. This month we get $5 off 20. Last month I think it was $10 off 40. And this is all that's trending, and that's my product code that I'm gonna have to scan to see what we got here. I'm gonna do that real quick, and it should take us right on over there. And this month, you've seen the hype, now it's time to try them out for yourself. Here's what's trending now in the beauty box, and it says it has a $78 value, and it shows us a picture here. I'm assuming that's what we're going to be having in here, but let me unwrap this. It always comes in this nice little pretty pink paper. The first thing that I'm seeing is a 24-hour cosmetic brow setter. Now, it says $15 to $26, and so this could be a $15 value. It's got really cute packaging, and it's an eyebrow setter. So this would be something to set your eyebrows if they're kind of being a little wiry and wily and you just want them set just right. You would use this product. And if you bought a full size, it'd be $26 from Benefit Cosmetics. It's a 24-hour brow setter, had cute packaging, and it says it shapes and sets, and it's a gel for brow, so that's pretty cool. Our next item that I'm pulling out of here is a Beauty Stat, and this is a deluxe sample. If you bought the full size, it's $85. It's Universal C Skin Refiner, so that's going to be some C serum is the way I look at it, and I might want to try that out. I don't know anything about this product brand. Do you know about Beauty Stat? It says it's a black-owned company, and you do get a free gift with purchase if you wanted to purchase it. And the same thing with the Benefit. They're having a free gift with purchase right now as well. Our next item is in this tube, and it's Caudalie, and it is a vinyl purifying gel cleanser. This is a $30 value for 5 ounces, and this is 1 fluid ounce, so this is like a $5 value. But if you bought the full size, it would be $30, and I'm sure that works just fine. I've not used this brand, to let me know if you've used this brand. And then my next item is Too Faced, and this is a Too Faced lip injection extreme instant and plumper, and I'm sure that's what that is, lip injection. I do like Too Faced lip plumpers, and you hear my little puppy over there, and it says it's instant and long-term lip plumper, lip extreme, and then it's got the big sexy lips on there. This is something I'll use. I used to use this all the time before I found Buxom. When I found Buxom, I actually like Buxom better, but Too Faced lip injection is good. Buxom is not as expensive, and that could be another reason I switched over, because it seemed to work just as well. But this is a good plumper, and I know if I put this on my lips right now, I would mess up my doe foot. It smells good because I even got lipstick on my finger, so I'm not going to put that on my lips just right now, but I do know this is a good product. If you were to buy it full size, it'd be $29. My next item, I don't know, did I get a bonus item? It's not on here. It's Tarte, and it's lip cream, and it's not on the list, but it is in the picture, but they don't have it on my list here, so I don't know that I'm gonna be able to tell you anything about it other than it's Tarte. So let's see what it looks like. Everybody knows a little bit about it. It's Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream, and this is by Tarte, and let's see what it looks like. It's got nice packaging, and I don't know if it's a full size or a sample. It could be a full size, but like I said, I don't know anything about it because it's not showing. But I'm going to take it all the way up. That looks like a full size. That's a lot of lip, and it says it's a cream, so I bet it's very nice. Just put a little bit on top. This will be great for carrying in the purse, and it is kind of creamy. I like that. We got 2 perfume samples, and I think it's a his and her. There's Fame perfume and Phantom perfume, and let's see what they have to say. Really doesn't say anything. Okay, the men's is the Phantom, and it's regularly $114 to $150, and that's the Ray-Ban men's Phantom, and then the Ray-Ban Fame Eau de Parfum fragrance for women, and that runs $45 to $86, and let's see what that one smells like. It smells pretty good. It smells like it's got vetiver in it. It says it has sensual jasmine, hypnotic incense, and then it's got addictive musk. It smells pretty good. That's what your bottle packaging would be like. I just got this little thing, but that's their bottle packaging. That looks pretty cool. I like jasmine, so I think that would probably grow on me a little bit. Not too bad. Have any of you used this? Fame, it's called. And then the other one was Phantom. This is a men's cologne. It smells good. Yeah. I'll have to let my husband try that one out. That actually smells good. I like that. And it says this one has burning vanilla, intense lavender, and magnetic vetiver. That's funny. I thought vetiver was in the other one. But it smells good. Yeah, I like that, both of those. And then we have one item left, and this is our gift item. And it looks like this. It feels like silicone, and it popped open. Let me see what this is. This is cryotherapy facial instructions. It says, before using the facial ice mold, make sure to clean thoroughly with soap and water, rinse well, and dry it thoroughly. Fill the little mold from the top with water, leaving a little space at the top to allow for expansion as the water freezes, and freeze it for several hours. Leave it in the freezer completely and let it freeze completely. Once the water is completely frozen, remove the mold from the freezer. So you would take this out, and then it says apply the ice mold to your face, gently rolling it up and down in circular motions. Be careful not to press too hard, because you don't want the ice on your skin too long in one place, as this can cause skin damage. So you wouldn't want to leave it on, so you want to keep it moving around on your face. And it says you can use this facial ice mold as often as you like, but it is recommended to limit use to 5 to 10 minutes at a time. So I guess you could use that daily. And I've never used one of these products, so I don't really know how effective it is. I know such thing as jumping in cold water or taking a cold shower, getting your shower really hot, as hot as you can stand it, and then switching it to cold, and then going back to as hot as you can stand it, and then switching it back to cold. It's supposed to do something for you and maybe help the skin pores. I'm not real sure about all that, but that's what this is used for, is for doing cryotherapy on your face. So that's what we got. We got this cryotherapy mold for your face. We got this vitamin C cream. We got the 24-hour brow setter. We got the Caudalie purifying gel cleanser. We got the Tarte lipstick, which was a maracuja juicy lip cream, which felt really good. Then we got the Too Faced plumper, and then we got the 2 perfumes. So my favorite is going to be the Too Faced lip plumper and this Tarte lippy, and I will also like trying out this vitamin C cream. You let me know what your favorites are. I liked both of the colognes. The one that I have on smells good. I think after a while it would give me a headache, so it might not be for me. And then the one for men smelled really good. So you let me know. Do you like those? Have you tried those? Which of these were your favorites? Did you have a favorite? Would you like getting samples from Macy's that are like this? And then, of course, getting a nice little gift, too. Let me know. And that's all I have today for the Macy's box. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.